Wala. Happy birthday. Di ba? All right. Merry Christmas. I know. It's January, and I'm here in Corpus Cove, Texas, for a family event. My family has been doing this Christmas celebration for the last 6 years, and I'm here in Texas participating. So this is what it's going to be like, or what it's like. There's no one here right now, as you can see. It's completely empty, but we expect what, 150 people, well, a few people. But I will come back to you and give you an update. So stay tuned. Okay, so it starts to fill up. There's a few people, and you notice that there are songs now. And here, let me give you a little background. There. And yes, sir, that's this guy. What's that?
What's up? What's up?
So, there you go. More people are coming up, showing up. Okay, we'll come back to you when it's getting cold. Zach is getting ready to perform.
Get ready, guys.
With the young Charlies. He's a new Charlie.
I'm not even a Charlie.
Oh yes, you are.